Hello everyone, this will be a short video because I want to explain again how to use Google Docs for either copy reviews, either your missions from the bootcamp. So, first of all, we have to access Google Docs. You can go on Google and type Google Docs and click the first link and you will enter here. Now, from here, you can click on the plus below. From there, you have this document, right? We'll choose a title like Mission 13 as an example. Copy CTA, I don't know, subject line, etc. And now, from here, you'll have to click above on share. Click on there. Now here, you have to click on everyone can access the link. From here, you have to enable the comments like this. And this is it. Boom. You copy the link and you place it where it should be. And from there, I will come and I'll do the comments here because it's much easier for me and for you to understand exactly where is the problem. It's faster and easier. And yeah, use this and leverage this because it's very, very important. Good luck, guys.